Hey, I've got a new grill today, Lifedoo Portable Fire Pit Grill. We're gonna cook up a skirt steak. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna marinate it in some bourbon and Pepsi. We're gonna make a chimichurri. You gotta stay with me. Hey, I've got the new Lifedoo Portable Grill and Fire Pit. They sent it out to me. I'd like to thank them for it. If you see the box here, they're quite proud that they have listened to their customer feedback and they've improved it. I guess this is a second or third generation, I'm not quite sure. So let's open it up and give it a try. You can see we've got grill grate here. Let's see what we've got here. Looks like the sides. Now this is a tray. I know why they came up with this tray. People complain that the ash fell down on their grass and messed their grass up. That's what this guy is for. Let's get one of our ends. Hit the side like so. Get our other end here. And then get our other side. And there she is. She's put together. Now I hope you can see that. It's got, I don't know, 2 or 3 inch gap down here. Space. That'll give us some nice airflow. Now we come in, it comes with this small rack, you can see. It goes right here in the bottom. That's going to hold our initial pieces of wood in it. And then it comes with these rods. Looks like you can adjust where you put them, like so. I'm calling them rods, they're not round. Slats, maybe that's a better word for it. And then we've got this grill grate, which was, I think, a customer complaint on the original. They didn't have any way to cook in this bad boy. Hey, it's Derby Day. We're going to start out with some Kentucky Bourbon. What I've got right there is 1/2 cup. Now, I'm going to add in 1 cup. Let's see, there's a half. A Pepsi. You can use Coke if that's what you like. What I've got here, you can see I just spilled it all over, shaking it up. Melinda's black truffle hot sauce. The truffles, the earthiness of those truffles are going to give this an awesome flavor. This is not real hot. If you want to know more about it, I'll put some link here in the video. We're going to go 3 tablespoons of the Melinda's truffle hot sauce. I've got 1/4 cup teriyaki sauce. Here, 1 tablespoon lime juice. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Then I'm going to come in here with some molasses. 1, 2, 3 sounds like the magic number today. Oh wow, and a little bit more. There's 3.5 tablespoons. Last but not least, here is 1 tablespoon of Lea and Perrins what's this here sauce, whatever you want to call it. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. Now, the more I think about it, the more I don't need to dirty up this bowl. I'm hoping we can just stir everything up in here. Just need to make sure we get that molasses blended in well. I think that's going to be just fine. Let me get that out of the way. Get this out of the way. There we have it. 1 inside skirt steak. I think this guy is about 1.5 pounds, a little bit more. If you've never had skirt steak, delicious. Just want to cut some of these bigger pieces of fat off. This is going to cook really, really quick, so it's not like smoking where you're going to get it to render off. So I'm just going to trim this bad boy up a little bit. I mean, this side looks pretty good. You decide how much fat you want to get off. We'll do a little bit more trimming on this back side. Then we're going to get this guy in the marinade. Looks pretty good to me. Now I've got a gallon Ziploc bag. I'll put this beautiful skirt steak in. Like so. Now if I can not make a mess, try not to make a mess, we're going to get that delicious marinade in there. Oh yeah. I just want to squeeze some of the air out. And then I'll seal this bad boy up. We'll get it in to the refrigerator and let it go about 6 hours. Depends how much time we have. At least 4. To get this chimichurri going, I've got 1 bunch of parsley, 1 bunch of cilantro, 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Next, we'll add in 2 tablespoons chopped poblano peppers. You could use jalapenos. 1/2 cup olive oil. Just that easy. We're going to get the lid on this food processor, get her locked up, blend her up. It's been 6 hours. We're going to get our skirt steak out of that marinade, get it grilled up. Now while our skirt steak is cooking, I did want to show you the paint has peeled off from the heat on the side of this grill. I'm not saying that's good or bad, but I'm just trying to give you an honest review. It's been close to 5 minutes. Look at that beautiful color. We're going to turn our skirt steak over. It's been about another 3.5 minutes on this side. She's looking beautiful. Let's get her off. And while she's resting here, just going to put a little flake of sea salt on there. By the way, a little bit in our chimichurri. We didn't salt it before. And then we've got a little bit of black pepper. Same thing for our chimichurri. Just get that stirred up. This is going to be fantastic. Just going to cut off. I didn't bring a fork. Sure is tender, I'll say that for it. There you go. She's about medium. I would have preferred to have medium rare. You can see it there. I'm still learning to cook this whole open fire thing. It's new for me. One thing's for sure, it's super tender. There, towards the center there, it's medium rare, but I gotta say it's more medium than anything. We're gonna put some of that chimichurri on it. Oh yeah. It's got that nice, let me show you this. I hope you can see it. It's got that nice char on the outside. And I gotta tell you, super beefy. Skirt steak is known for that. Delicious, easy to cook. Oh my gosh. It'd be perfect for tacos or any kind of thing you want to. Tacos is what I'm trying to say. Thanks so much for watching. I'd like to thank the Lifedoo folks for sending me out this grill and portable fire pit, whatever you want to call it. It's a lot of fun to cook with. I gotta tell you, this skirt steak is awesome. Have a good day.